So hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how you can use your integrated Intel GPU or whatever you want to say. You can use it for your recording, your streaming, and it will make your life much easier. It will make your stream much easier to run. It will make your OBS feels like butter smooth like that. Okay. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to install your Intel graphic driver. So you can go to their website, just go and make sure that you have your Intel graphic integrated GPU in your Intel processor. So whenever you buy a processor like from Intel, then you will get a two variants. Okay, one is like F variant and one is like non-F variant. So in F variant, there is no integrated graphics in the NF variant. Okay, so you don't need to buy that thing. Buy the non-F variant, so you will get an integrated chip, integrated graphics in the CPU. Okay, like the AMD one, APU. So if you have that integrated CPU, means integrated graphic in your CPU, then you can use it in your OBS and record it through that integrated CPU, record, stream with that, and it will be just like butter smooth. Okay, it will not gonna put any kind of stress on your GPU, and you will get a maximum performance of your GPU or FPS, whatever you are doing, it doesn't matter, you will get the maximum performance of your GPU. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is install the Intel graphic driver or AMD graphic driver. Then after installing, make sure that you install it properly. So I'm writing the Intel, you can see my Intel graphic command center is showing and it is opening perfectly fine. Okay, and the second thing what you can do, you can just click on the task manager, and then you can see also there is my Intel integrated GPU. You can see it is UHD 770 and there is my graphic card RTX 3050. Okay, so after that, what you need to do is when you are confirm that you have an integrated graphic, you install everything in driver. The setting that you need to change is you have to go to your OBS settings, and then you have to go to output, and if you want to stream, then go to the stream video encoder and select quick sync H.264 or H.265. For my experience, H.265 just doesn't work that well for now, but H.264 is working just fine. You can literally stream 4K through this encoder. You can stream at 4K, but I'm not recommending you to stream at 4K because it will just make your PC like boom. Do not stream on 4K. Okay, just do not. I will recommend you maximum 2K or 1080p or 720p. Okay, don't go that much. Okay, it is just a small chip inside the CPU. You just can't do that much amount of work with that small amount of thing. Okay, so don't do 4K thing. Just go to recording, and then if you want to record your OBS, you have to same thing, not OBS, like anything, then you have to select quick sync H.264, and the setting that you need to follow is rate CBR bitrate. If you're recording, then you can use 30,000 or more than that. If you're recording, it depends totally on you. I will recommend you to not go like more than 50,000. Okay, and then what you have to do, you have to just copy the settings. Okay, if you are using QuickSync. And for AMD, I really don't know about AMD anything, but it will be similar to Intel one also, I think so. So you have to just copy this thing, and everything is done. When you have to press OK, apply, restart your OBS, and then what will happen, I will show you. So for the proof, you can see my task manager. Where is my task manager? You can see my graphic card Intel UHD 770 is working at 39%. Okay, and whenever I stop the recording, it will drop to 0% and my graphic card will just like that. Okay, and if I encode my streaming or recording with the NVIC or H.264 of which provided by Nvidia, then this 20% will be bumped up to 30 or 40%. So it is consuming your GPU rather than your Intel graphics. Okay, so this main setting is to change your encoder so that it will copy or put the stress on the Intel graphics, not in the AMD. Okay, so the main thing and the main setting is to change these settings. So you just copy this setting. This 15,000 bitrate is for streaming, I do stream on YouTube and Twitch. For Twitch I use different settings and for YouTube I use different settings. You just need to change the bitrate and the settings will be same for every streaming platform. Okay, so that's all. You can just use this Intel UHD, and if someone tells you that your Intel integrated GPU will not do anything if you have a dedicated graphic card, give a slap to him. Big slap. And if you want to join mainstream, you can follow me on my other channel, and the name of that channel is I Am Here. You can follow it and you can join me in the stream. I do stream on Hindi language, so if you're not familiar with Hindi language, you can still join. Most welcome. Bye bye.